Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Haiti. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Forex trading in the country of Haiti has seen a notable rise in popularity as the younger generation is benefiting from the online financial markets. Only a small percentage of the country's population identifies as Muslim, and these investors will need to choose a brokerage firm that has an Islamic Forex trading account on offer. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Haiti can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Haiti. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have BDSwiss. BDSwiss is an award-winning Forex broker that is focused on ECN and STP trading and is regulated by 3 major bodies, including the CYSEC, the FSA, and the FSC. This broker was founded in 2012 and offers over 250 trading products, a trading academy for beginners, as well as advanced research and trading tools for more experienced traders. A total of more than $84 billion is traded on BDSwiss every month, and this broker is trusted by over 1.5 million traders. With BDSwiss, you can trade a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, shares, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts are available on Classic, Premium, VIP, and Raw accounts, with 0 commission on the Classic account, a minimum deposit of $100, demo accounts, 0 commissions on the Classic and Premium accounts, tight spreads, and more. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the BDSwiss proprietary trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The BDSwiss Trading Academy provides a variety of educational content, such as webinars and seminars, ebooks on Forex trading, live educational services, lessons on the basics of Forex trading, as well as a Forex glossary and educational videos. As a BDSwiss client, you will have access to a wide range of innovative trading tools for research and analysis, risk management, charting, and so much more. If you are searching for any additional educational content with BDSwiss. At number 4 on our list is HYCM. HYCM is a British Forex broker company that is based in London, founded in 2016, and has operational offices in Cyprus, as well as a presence in Hong Kong and Dubai. HYCM offers clients a variety of tradable market instruments, such as Forex, Commodities, Indices, Energies, and more. HYCM offers the popular and well-known MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts include fixed, classic, and a raw account, with lower minimum deposits, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. HYCM also provides a variety of educational tools, such as Forex education, webinars, seminars, as well as videos that cover topics such as the world of global trading, the management of your capital, the psychology of trading, and more. HYCM also offers beginner courses, tutorials, trading strategies, and ebooks, which cover classes on assets traded on the platform, for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with HYCM. Coming in at number 3, we have XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a shares account, demo accounts, and swap free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. At number 2 on our list is Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006 and currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Haiti, we have XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, combines financial services with innovative technology, and supports a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which feature integration with NinjaTrader and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delve into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Haiti on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.